Hello, young artists, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we have a special drawing in honor of World Animal Day. We're going to create something cute, and it's all about highlighting the importance of animal rights. Let's jump right into it. Do you know why celebrating World Animal Day is so important? Well, it's like giving a big warm hug to all the animals in the world. It's a day when we show our love and care for our furry, feathery, and scaly friends. Animals are amazing, and they deserve our kindness and protection. We'll begin by drawing 2 big bunny ears and a big, cute, round face. Those eyes are close together, followed by a warm, friendly smile. Now let's add a heart shape near the bunny's face. And the bunny is holding it with its right arm. How adorable is that? To give our bunny character a little depth, let's add a dark semicircle around it. This will show that our bunny is popping up from its hole in the ground. Next, let's create a lovely environment for our bunny. Add some grass, a few leaves, and scatter hearts around the ground. It's all about creating a heartwarming scene. But that's not all. Let's make it even more special by adding a butterfly on the left side, fluttering around our bunny. Nature and animals go hand in hand. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Don't forget to color those hearts with a lovely shade of red. And our vibrant blue butterfly adds a pop of color to our drawing. And there you have it, a cute bunny spreading love and kindness in honor of World Animal Day. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. Thank you so much for joining me today, my young artists. If you had fun drawing this cute bunny and want to see more creative and inspiring art projects, please consider subscribing to Easy Peasy Art and giving this video a thumbs up. Remember, keep creating, keep spreading love, and let's make the world a better place for all animals. Bye for now!